Welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we are using orange juice concentrate to make this delicious orange sesame chicken. Orange juice concentrate is a great product to have on hand. It gives a great orangey flavor in cooking or baking. Now let's go make our orange sesame chicken. Start with 3/4 cup of orange juice concentrate, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and honey, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. Notice that I left the ginger skin on. Not only this is easier for our meal prep, we will also get more antioxidants out of the ginger. Let's put the salsa aside for now and prepare for our chicken. In a large Ziploc bag, mix 2/3 cup of flour with some salt and pepper. Make sure each piece of chicken is well coated with the seasoned flour so that the sauce we made earlier will stick to the chicken. Heat up a non-stick frying pan with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Brown all 4 sides of the chicken drumsticks. You may need to add more oil from time to time to brown the chicken. This takes about a total of 13 to 15 minutes. After all sides of the chicken are browned, coat each chicken drumstick with a spoonful of the sauce. Pour the leftover sauce all over the chicken drumsticks and simmer on medium heat for 10 minutes or until they are cooked thoroughly. In the meantime, toast 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on the stove with medium-low heat until they turn lightly brown. Now it's time to enjoy the sweet, tangy orange sesame chicken. You can eat these chicken drumsticks hot or cold. They're delicious either way. Enjoy!